guys see? So I'm using our general epoxy resin from the Epoxy Resin store. And I'm sad because I finished my blue bottle from the store. Look at the label. You can't even see it. I finished our blue one. I made it myself. And I added blue with the color black. And I put some glitter in it. Some dark glitter. Just to make it the background kind of sparkly. A little shiny, you know. So we'll see how this art turns out. And I'm putting 2 cups of this. This is a 16 by 16, so I'm using 11 ounces of resin, 5.5 of the hardener, 5.5 of the actual resin. So altogether is 11. I put 12 because I'm gonna do the edges a little bit, just a tiny bit of the edges. So it has to be enough to spread, you know, to cover these edges. So let's cover some edges right here. Cover some edges back here. Let's see, the blue in the background was just a paint I put there to cover. I put 2 layers of primer on this. A couple of weeks ago, I had this wet here for a while. And then last night I put the blue paint on it. Just to have another layer on there because this is a wood. And wood seems to soak up everything so fast. And I really like the MDF because you get no dimples at all with it. But we'll see. Maybe I won't get any dimples here too. I didn't with the other one I have hanging upstairs by my bathroom wall. So anyway. Let me get a tissue. I think I covered my hand again soon. I don't want to be touching anything with it. Now, look how cute the glitter is coming right through there. Oh my god, that glitter looks so pretty. Let me just swipe it a little bit. I don't want it to show that much. That was too much blue there. Yeah, that glitter is coming through too much. So, yeah. I'm happy with the way it's looking. And just tap it a little bit to get everything in place. Just put more cups on this side so it kind of, move it. That's it, guys. I'm all done. All washed out. I'm done. Done deal. Turn this off. Move this over here. this up over there. I want to see if I could get this white to do something different on this side. Maybe a little bit over here. Push it up a little bit more here. That's it. Done deal. Hasta mañana. Let's see when I unveil it tomorrow. Yeah. See how it turns out by the morning. I see an area. I don't like the way it's looking. It's looking a little bright up here. It's not supposed to be. There you go. That covered it. All right. And a little bit of brightness coming on over here in this corner. Yeah, just that's it. All right, guys, let me give you a close-up. Hi, all. Look at my beach wave. Just made a pour. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Turned out so pretty. And I put a little glitter, so you can see a little glittery in there into the blue. I put some blue glitter from Just For You online. Here. I put it on everything and anything you let me use it on. So, and there go my beautiful cells everywhere. Yeah. I hope you guys like it. I love it. It's so pretty. I love these colors. This is something like the one I did in video number 508. A long time ago, I think a year ago, and everybody loved it. And I had so many requests for it again that I decided to go ahead and try it again. And it worked. All right. Love you guys. The background is blue and black together, mixed together, of Lorez colors and Lorez white. White Angel White. And the green is also by Lorez, a teal. A nice color teal. So there you go. I love it. It's so pretty. It reminds me of a beach at night. I like beaches at nighttime. Bye, y'all. Love you. Have a good weekend. What's left of it, anyway. This is my resin pour, like the beach wave. That's the one I did yesterday. Look at it. It's hanging already. Very beautiful. It dries so nicely. Yeah. It dried really pretty. So, and you can see the back. It's very nice and clean. That's it. It's all done. This is the one that was hanging up there. I'm gonna put it back. And look at the back of this one, nice and clean. Also, this one was done in February. Now, my husband made a table out of this one. So yeah, I'll just leave it here until I go back downstairs and take it back downstairs and put it away. I put a parchment paper on top of it and put it in my cart. Love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.